Now, do you hear his engines?
Here we have the NS V18 here in Suffolk. He's got a pretty nice one on there too. Got a good old Dash 9 on him. And here he comes, chugging down the line. Nice good old P5 on this train. Yeah, he's chugging too. He is really chugging. He's got like 2 or 3 engines on it. Looks like 2. .9406. Yeah. Woo! 9406. NS Sd70ACE and gas 8706. Woo! With the inbound NS C18. Woo! Oh man, he's chugging down there. He's got some smoke coming out of those 3 engines though. Wow. Hey Jordan, this train's got rock hoppers, it's got green parts, it's got tanker parts. Now he's going to get about 20. And there's the end of it where he'll wrap up with the containers. And here come the containers and lumber. And here comes the end of the V18. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Woo! Oh man. Man, just look at that V18. A good old Dash 9 with a good old P5, an Sd70ACE, and a C40-8. And there they go. And that will call it for the night. Oh, the V07's coming too. So we'll be right back in just a